Hey everybody, welcome to Technology and Toys, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing two stand-up vertical wireless chargers from Desertwest. Now if that name sounds familiar, I did take a look at one of their flat wireless chargers, I guess we can call it, a little while back on the channel. This is their 15 watt C2 wireless charger. I'll have that video linked up here if you guys want to check it out. It's kind of pricey, but it is a very clean, very premium charger. So they have at least two variants. I have two different chargers here. We'll take a look on the back. This one is a dual coil, so you can charge your phone in portrait or landscape. And then this one is only one coil, so it has to be in landscape, but it is pretty cool. I do like both of these because you can use them both as flat wireless chargers as well. So we're going to jump into the big one first. Very clean packaging. And here it is. We'll take off this top plastic. With the charger itself right here. Under it we get some literature and an Amazon card just to leave a review. And then we also get a micro USB cable to supply power to it. And then this is the charger itself. This triangle up here is a LED. So it'll be red if there's nothing charging, and I believe blue if it is charging. You have your two coils here. You can't lay this down and use it as a double wireless charger. I did try that. It doesn't work. You have your power input here. You have ventilation on the back. And then there's this metal clip that you take out and then you slide it in on the front like this. It goes through, and that's how you get it to stand up. And then of course, as I mentioned, you can lay it down flat. We're gonna put that there and take a look at the smaller one. This one doesn't open, so that's kind of a bummer. And this one's kind of interesting. They have a black and a white, and the cable is attached to it. So there's no like micro USB cable that you have to fumble with. It's attached to the charger, and of course you can lay it down like this and charge your phone on it, or you can peel this little thing back, snap it into place, and have it rest like that, and have your phone on here. Unwind this, and we're gonna plug them both in. Okay, so I have a surge protector just out of frame. Plug that in. Yep, see we have blue light. And now it's switched back to red because nothing's charging on it. And then we have the smaller one. Plug that in. And there is a little blue light under here. That goes out after a few seconds. We'll remove the plastic and then we'll put these both more in frame. So I have my phone and I'm going to put it down in landscape on the smaller one. And you can see that the light turns on and it does start charging. These are also both fast 10 watt wireless chargers, so most Android phones will be able to take full advantage of that. And we have a bigger one. You can put it down like that and it starts charging, or you could turn it into landscape and it will start charging. And then, like I mentioned before, you can use these both as flat desktop wireless chargers. Bend them both back like that. Starts charging, and it starts charging up in the top. Landscape charges, and it also charges in portrait. Now these are pretty cool. I actually didn't have vertical wireless chargers until I got these two. So I've had one here at my office, and then I've had one at home at my Mac Pro setup because it just kind of blends in with the silver and white theme. So I have been using both of these for 3 weeks, and I would have to say that these are great. I like this one a lot when it's propped up and I have my phone charging in portrait like this. And it's angled in such a way that the Face ID camera is pointed directly at me, so I just have to tap the screen and it will unlock and I can read my notifications, all while charging, and I don't have to pick it up. That's awesome. Now these do have different prices. This one is $19.99 and it does come in a black as well. I got the white because pretty much every other wireless charger that I have is black and I wanted something to look different. And then this, I don't believe it comes in a white. At least it doesn't say it does on the Amazon listing. This is $23. This is $22.99. So they're not the cheapest, but they are fast 10 watt wireless charging. They are vertical. They are really nice quality, and they do have a little bit of versatility with them. You can use them vertical or flat. So I'll have these two linked down below, as well as their C2 15 watt wireless charger. This thing is absolute overkill for pretty much everything on the market right now. All three of these will be linked down in the description. Guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on notifications with that bell icon. This has been Jake with Technology and Toys, and until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.